Good morning, dear students. So today we will be learning about our new grammar topic, that is the article. The words a, an and the are called articles. These words are used before nouns. ये words कहाँ use होते हैं? Noun से पहले, and you know very well that what is noun? A noun is a naming word. So they actually are demonstrative adjectives. So basically article is divided into two types, definite articles and indefinite articles. So firstly we will discuss about indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used before singular and countable nouns. ये कहाँ use होते हैं? Singular and countable nouns से पहले. For example, a man indicates any man. So here man is a singular noun. Second example is there, an emperor indicates any emperor. So question is there that where to use a and where to use an. So let's discuss the use of a and an. Use of a and an is identified by the beginning sound of the word following them. हम कैसे identify करते हैं that where to use a and an? From the beginning sound of the word. जो भी आपको word given है उसकी beginning sound से. If beginning sound of the word is that of a consonant, if beginning sound क्या आती है, consonant क्या आती है, so we will use a. And if the beginning sound of the word is that of a vowel, so we will use an. For example, a boy. So here the word boy gives us the sound of b. So b is a consonant. A man, m. A horse, h. And like an apple. So here the beginning sound of the apple is a vowel. So we will write down an before the word apple. Like an owl, owl. An inkpot, e. So e is the sound of a vowel. Sometimes when the starting letter is a vowel but gives a sound of a consonant, then a is used before them. For example, a European. Whether e is written, e is a vowel, but the sound of the word is European, y. Consonant sound is there, so we will use a. Same is with university. When the starting letter is sometimes consonant but gives a sound of a vowel, then an is used before them. For example, an honest man, whether h is a consonant but gives the sound of a vowel, o. So we will write down an. So basically sounds matter while writing or use the article before a word. Okay, clear? The use of a and an. So let's discuss the use of the third article, that is the. So the is the definite article. It is used with some particular noun or the noun that are already referred to. For example, the sun. So here it is a unique object. Particular noun के लिए तो ये sun is a unique object. So हम use करते हैं sun से पहले the. Like same है आपके पास एक और example. The man standing under that tree is my friend. वो मैन जो ट्री के नीचे खड़ा है मेरा फ्रेंड है. सो एक पर्टिकुलर मैन के लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं. अ पर्टिकुलर मैन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, सो वी विल यूज द बिफोर मैन. सो द आर्टिकल द इज यूज्ड बिफोर द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट है लाइक नेम्स ऑफ ओशियंस एंड सीज. वी विल यूज द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ ओशियंस एंड सीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द पैसिफिक ओशियन. Same is with names of rivers, names of canals and deserts, names of mountain ranges, names of epic books like the Ramayana, names of unique natural objects. Natural objects से पहले भी हम क्या use करते हैं? The. With superlative degree, the best king. Next is with ordinals like first, second, third. उससे पहले भी हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? the article. Names of musical instruments, names of some countries, names of newspapers, with words like next, last, first, only, the first. Okay. Next is names of well known buildings like the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. So, after the use of definite articles and indefinite articles, let's discuss omission of articles, that we are not to use article. So, there are certain cases where there is no need of an article before proper nouns. नाउन से पहले हम नहीं करते हैं यूज़, प्रॉपर नाउन से पहले. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको नेम्स ऑफ टाउन्स गिवन हो, उससे पहले भी कोई आर्टिकल आप यूज़ नहीं करोगे. नेम्स ऑफ कंट्रीज़, names of persons, names of streets, names of months of the year, names of the days. So these are the points where we will not use an article. Clear? No article is used before material nouns. Neither gold nor silver is found here. Other materials such as water, milk, cotton do not take any article. मटीरियल नाउन से पहले भी हम आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करते. थर्ड वन है नो आर्टिकल इज़ यूज्ड बिफोर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स क्या होते हैं? विच कैन नॉट बी सीन, लाइक ऑनेस्टी, विजडम. सो इनसे पहले भी हम कोई आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करते. नो आर्टिकल इज़ यूज्ड बिफोर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. I hope the use of article is clear to you all. So bye, take care, happy learning.